Bakit may itim na pusa? Di ba malas yun pag may itim na pusa? Guys, parang may accident sa harapan natin. Oh, no! Wait lang. Ano kayang nangyari dito? Hello mga ka-rider, welcome back to my channel, Rough Rider po. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. It's currently 6:05 right now. I was just checking my Food Panda app earlier. I noticed there's a delivery slots na available from 12 to 3 a.m. in the morning. Well, hindi pa natin natatry na mag-deliver sa midnight. So I thought, why not we try it? At I'll take you guys with me. Tara, samahan niyo. But we still have 6 hours to wait. Let's get prepared. Ano bang i-prepare natin? Wala. Basta maghintay lang tayo hanggang 12. Let's go. And dito sa Singapore, kahit 6 plus na ay medyo maliwanag pa. Hindi pa oras. I still have 6 hours to wait. So I'll just stick to my usual routine in the meantime habang naghihintay.
Nice.
Sana all.
One eternity later.
Hello guys, kakagising ko lang at nakapag-prepare na ako sa ating session for today. Time check is already 12. Nag-start na yung session natin. Naghihintay na lang tayo ng first order. But before we start, a couple of things that we need. Kailangan natin ng mga bicycle light. So I have two here. Meron tayong front light and backlight. One more thing is naka-windproof jacket tayo. Baka lamagin tayo mamaya pag nagbabike. Let's get started. Ilagay na natin yung mga bike lights natin. Front light, check tayo. Front light. That's good. Then natin yung sa likod. Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
I think we're good to go. Hintayin na lang natin yung first order natin. This is my first time doing this at this hour. So, hindi natin alam kung may kumakain ba sa madaling araw. Tignan natin. This will be a good experience din for me. Makikita ko kung nasan yung mga restaurants or kainan na bukas pa sa ganitong oras. Well, may mga alam akong nakabukas dito na 24 hours, malapit lang sa amin sa bahay. Pero natin baka lumayo pa tayo ng konti at malaman natin kung saan yung mga ibang restaurants na bukas. It's already 12:12 at natanggap na natin yung first order natin. Kunin na natin yung pagkain, baka nagugutom na yung nag-order nito. Let's go. Guys, tignan nyo naman, wala tayong nakikitang mga tao na naglalakad. I think I kinda like this kasi we can cycle freely, we can do anything we like. May midnight joggers doon. Kung palang napapansin nyo sa mga video ko, maraming mga Singapore flags na naka-display sa mga daan, sa mga buildings. Nakaraan lang yung National Day nila dito, yung Independence Day. That's how they celebrate. They put up their flags, mga decorations, lights, mga red, white lights, ganyan. We just received another order. So, dalawa yung order na i-pick up natin.
Nice.
Hi, how are you? I have a pickup, 4UFM.
Another one is
U93I.
okay. Yeah.
It's considered rush hour, is it? At this
Not
time?
really, but busy only.
But busy, yeah?
Because this store is run 24 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we used to it already now.
Used to it. Normally you do midnight shift
I do now it's permanent night already.
at night.
Yeah. Actually night better than
Oh, it's much better at this hour? Why?
good lah. I don't know how to explain, but good lah. What? Not so bad lah.
Not so bad. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go first,
The
okay?
dessert, the one of the pack got dessert.
Oh, I'll check. Okay.
Bring me
Okay,
out.
can.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You got some more order, come visit here.
Okay, Ken. See you. Bye-bye.
Pick up.
Alright, bye-bye. Ang sarap naman ng order ng customer natin, spicy tomato double fish burger upsize meal. Guys, sa oras na to, parang ang sarap ng mainit na kape. Pag may nakita tayong coffee shop, ay talagang bibili ako para hindi tayo antukin. Guys, we just completed our first order. Nakita nyo naman ay iniwan ko lang sa labas ng gate yung order nila. Kasi may customer instruction naman na nilagay na pwedeng iwanan yung pagkain sa labas. Normally, ganito siguro yung mga instruction ng mga customer kung ganitong oras para hindi na maabala pa yung mga family nila or magising yung mga family members nila kung mag-doorbell pa tayo or kakatok sa pintuan. Next order, let's go. Guys, buti na lang pala nakapag-jacket tayo. Parang yung temperature ngayon ay napakalamig. At sinasalubong pa natin yung hangin, yung wind. Buti na lang. Place this order at a customer's door. Guys, dito yung next pickup natin at may nakita akong coffee shop. Tara, let's buy coffee. Auntie, can I buy coffee, please? Hot coffee. Coffee sutay. What? Takeaway. Okay. Guys, napaka-konti ng kumakain pag ganitong oras. Thank you. 6-4. Thank you. Okay.
Nice.
Napakasarap ng kape. Saktong-saktong sa lamig ng panahon at saktong-sakto din yung timpla.
Sana all.
Guys, kahit madaling araw na, wala naman maraming mga sasakyan. Pero kailangan safety first pa rin. Hindi tayo magbibit ng red light kahit anong mangyari. Dahil law-abiding citizen tayo dito. Green light, let's go! Hello! Hello! Parang may magawa ako, magbibilang na lang ako ng mga night joggers. Yung mga nagja-jogging sa ganitong oras.
Turn right onto Tekwa Lane.
Turn right.
In 300 meters, turn right to stay on Tekwa Lane.
Alright. 778. 778. Tama. Parang it's starting to get spooky na. Nakakatakot. Parang tayo na lang yung tao dito sa labas. Siguro kung may makita akong multo dito, mas matatakot ako kung ano yung language na gagamitin ko. Baka pwedeng Chinese yung multo, pwedeng Malay, Indian. Kung di nyo alam, multiracial dito sa Singapore. 4 races. Meron Chinese, Malay, Indians, and Caucasians, I think. Is part of them. Sana in the future, makasali na yung mga Filipino kasi napakadami ng Filipino dito sa Singapore. I think next order natin ay nasa McDonald's ulit. Another fast food.
Oh no!
Siguro no choice talaga yung mga nag-order dito. Wala nang ibang choices kung maliban sa mga fast food na yan. Another McDonald's pickup. Hello.
Hello?
I have pickups. I have 2. GOS2. Oh, this one. And the other one is I4BQ. These 2.
Never
Yeah.
say the number one.
Normally, we read the last 4 digit or the letter. Yeah. So this one doesn't have ice cream, right?
This one no ice cream.
Okay.
This one is ice lemon tea. And then here ice Milo.
There's a new regulation, right? Cannot do ice cream first.
Yeah, ice cream. If you early do the milk.
It will melt.
Milk
Yes.
and then water like that.
Yes. A lot of customer complain, right?
Yeah. If y'all come, we do
Yeah.
and very thick lah.
Actually, Food Panda, right, sent us a message that we have to check all the receipt first. So we had to check if there's ice cream or desserts.
Yeah. No ice cream.
Okay. What time you end today, Auntie? 4
4.
o'clock. Okay. Take care, okay? Thank you very much. Good night. Seven. Nandito siya. This one. Bakit may itim na pusa? Di ba malas yun pag may itim na pusa? This is getting spooky, man. Sana wala tayong makitang multo dito. Oh! 315. May napansin ako dito na take what you need and share what we have. Parang sa Pilipinas, yung community pantry nila. So may mga gulay dito na pwedeng kuhanin. Free lang siya. Kung gusto mo lang. At pwede ka rin mag-donate or maglagay ng mga pagkain din. Mga gulay, mga fresh foods, ganyan. Alam ko na uso din yun sa Pilipinas, di ba? Yung community pantry. Pero alam ko, abuso ata yun eh. Mas marami yung kumukuha kaysa sa nagdo-donate. Oh no! Tara, let's get our next order. Oh, dito pala yung pick up natin. Parang familiar yung lugar na to. I think nakakain na ako dito ng madaling araw din nung kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko dati. Let's park here. Check muna natin kung ano yung makakain dito. Fried rice, malahat pa. Ang daming kainan dito guys kahit ganitong oras na. So I think this one is Indian food. Tapos noodles din. I have a pickup here. Thank you. Normally dito sa daan na to, punong-puno yan ng tao kasi tawiran dun sa kabila at dito may bus stop. Nung last time I went here, hindi ka makakadaan dito ng ganito lang. I think we can use this ramp. Ito yung shortcut natin. Kaysa naman umikot pa tayo ng isang malaking round. What is that noise? Parang may malaking paniki doon ah. I believe this is the building. We just have to find the elevator. This is the right lift. Very interesting yung next pickup natin. Nakita ko yung address, parang residential address siya. Hindi siya restaurant, hindi siya makikita sa shopping mall. Nasa bahay lang siya. Bali yung vendor, siguro nag-set up lang siya ng kitchen sa sariling bahay niya. Or gamit niya rin yung kitchen niya para mag-prepare ng food. Parang magandang business idea din yun. Kung gusto niyo mag-start ng business, pwede rin magandang idea din yun. Nasa bahay lang kayo, prepare your food. Pwede niyo ilagay online para may delivery. I think you just have to get proper license, that you're good to go. So let's pick up the order. Ito yung pickup location natin. 420. Hindi siya restaurants, bahay siya. This is it. Nasa... So, nilagay niya lang siya sa labas. Here you go. Easy money. Napakalapit lang nung pick-up and delivery address nito. Midnight exercise? Going for exercise? Hi there. Oh, no worries. Hi.
Bye-bye.
See you guys. Bye. Bro. Hello. 25 and 26. Is this 26? 26. I have to. Yeah. Busy sa paglilinis ko. Yeah. Yung palang pinag-pick-upan natin ay Safra Chua Chu Kang. Alam ko, bagong bukas lang to. Siguro mga 1 year lang. Maraming mga sports center dito. May swimming pool, basketball court, tennis court. Halos lahat ng sports na alam mo na may court dito. Meron ding maraming kainan, fast food, at iba-iba din. Sa Singapore, maraming mga Safra Community Club. Yung iba may mga bowling, indoor activities, ganyan. Ay, guys, parang may accident sa harapan natin. Wait lang. Oh no! Ano kayang nangyari dito? Paano ako makakadaan dito? May I? Thank you. Apologies. Hi, sorry. Sorry. Still green light. Sorry about it. Yun, nakaraan tayo. May mga pulis dito, tsaka may aksidente. Parang dalawang sasakyan yung nagbungguan. We just witnessed an accident. Kahit ganitong oras, kailangan pa rin mag-ingat. Kahit walang mga sasakyan, as much as possible, kailangan huwag tayong mag-beat ng red light. Lagi din tayong tumawid sa mga proper traffic light. Di natin alam may nagmamadali or nag-speed. Baka tayo pa yung masapul. Sa mga rider and driver out there, ride safe, drive safe. Tara, diretso lang. 40. Where are you? Is this the one? Wait. Oh, it's on the left. This is the one. Hey, wow, you scared me. I didn't see you there. Yeah. This is yours. Okay, thank you very much. Bigla lang siyang sumalupad. think this is 636. Yes, I'm right. This is 636. Let's just put it here. Guys, it's 3:06. Good job, guys. Good job sa akin. At nag-survive ako ng ganitong oras sa pag-deliver. We survive another delivery session. Ang session na to ay midnight pa. We started 12 at natapos tayo ng 3 a.m. Ngayon, time check tayo is already 3:08. We are at least 2 to 3 kilometers away from home. Lumayo tayo ng konti sa pag-deliver. So I think we managed to do 9 orders today. I saw we have $57 in total. May mga tips din na natanggap tayo. So if you like peace and quiet, walang sabagal, walang maraming sasakyan, walang maraming tao, if you're planning to do delivery, this is the right time for you. Napaka-smooth lang ng pag-deliver natin, dire-diretso lang. Ngayong nakalabas ako ng ganitong oras, nalaman ko din kung saan yung mga nakabukas na restaurants. May mga kainan na first time lang akong nakapunta at nalaman ko din na bukas pa sila sa ganitong oras. Very limited lang talaga yung mga choices. Nakita niyo naman halos mga fast food, junk food yung mga orders. Nothing healthy. Tsaka I'm surprised kasi back-to-back yung order natin kanina. Yung very first order lang, naghintay tayo ng mga 10 to 12 minutes tapos nakatanggap na tayo ng order kaagad. From that order, tuloy-tuloy na yung mga orders na natanggap natin. Kung sa tingin mo, panggabi ka, or gusto mo mag-exercise paggabi, mas komportable ka sa ganitong oras, this is good for you. Dito na tayo magtatapos. At kung umabot kayo hanggang dito, maraming salamat. Rough Rider po. Ride safe always. Let's go.